living a simple life in this little blue row house. Good morning to everyone. It's time to do laundry. Like everybody else, I do laundry once a week. Yes, it's only me in this house. So I'm currently working from home, so I truly do not use that many clothes, believe it or not. However, I will be back again in the corporate world soon. And it's a hybrid position, which is great, which means I will be working from home 2 days a week. Nowadays, here in Pittsburgh, most of our companies, they are going back to work the 5 days in the office. Wow, I don't know how people can do that. It's so convenient to work from home and cook your meals, like this breakfast that I'm cooking right now. Nothing better to eat fresh homemade meals. When I used to work in a company, I will pack my breakfast, my matcha latte, my snacks, my lunch, and sometimes my early dinner if I was practicing yoga that day. So I know my lunch bag was just huge. I recall when I was a kid, lunch bags and all those good times, right? And the breakfast was so delicious. I just love the ciabatta bread with the scrambled egg and the tomato garlicky sauce that I prepared the other day. It is so good and delicious. So cheers for today with my pineapple and ginger juice. Another day, another dime, opening the curtains, having the light in my bedroom is so refreshing. And finally, putting away this fleece blanket that I had been holding it on the chair for over a month. So it was just about time. And I was so lazy and I didn't put it in a Ziploc or vacuum sealers bags, which I have in the basement. And yeah, just taking the shortcuts as always. Not a good thing. Don't take shortcuts. So then I thought about moving things around, some of the art that I have on the walls, like this one needs to be hung. So I decided to take that one and move it downstairs. Here in the Blue Row house, we move things around all the time. It's just shuffling things here and there. And, that's the joy of redecorating, removing, repurposing in a budget. So that print is going to go downstairs. And I am getting hungry now. Yeah, I'm definitely getting hungry. And I'm thinking I have a salmon in the fridge. And I have some avocados. But I have to put away my juicer. I have been juicing for the past 3 days. And such a good thing to do. And here, I definitely going to go and have a salmon and then not avocado and season my salmon. And I'm thinking out loud, I would love to have guacamole. However, I do not have tomatoes. So I'm thinking I'm going to go later to the market here in the neighborhood and see what kind of veggies I can get. I only have $30 in my budget to spend on produce. I definitely need lemons, limes, tomatoes, and some zucchinis and broccoli. And I made this delicious salmon with the guacamole and steamed broccoli. After that delicious lunch, I have to change and went to the farmer's market. Didn't get that many things because everything is so overpriced, in other words. I know these are farmers that they come from all the way up in the north. And of course, gas prices are almost like $6 here. And it costs, right? So they have to add that fee into their products. So I had a budget, so I ended up going to Aldi. So I'm gonna show you what I got at Aldi. Lemons, I ran out of lemons. I got zucchinis, peppers, ginger, red onions, broccoli. And what I got at the farmer's market was this petite kale mix. I can't believe it, $5. Normally these at the stores are like $3.49 or like that, never $5. But you know, at least I supported one business at the farmer's market. Then focaccia. I just love this bread. And I got this fresh dill. Nice. And I'm gonna show you what I got on the other bag. So on the other bag, I got tomatoes because I was running out of them. Raspberries at the farmer's market. Something similar to this, raspberries, was $7. I'm like, I'm not paying $7. I got these watermelon because they were not selling the big watermelons yet. So I'm planning to do one dish that I had at the Caring Foundation volunteers dinner celebration. So, and I wanted to try these pre and probiotic Greek yogurt. 2 bananas for my smoothies. raspberries, cilantro, and this was the splurge, the coconut bars of Sunday bars. I'm gonna put these in the freezer. Also, I got this white vinegar. Since I have the white rice, but I want to have like the regular vinegar. They didn't have the apple cider vinegar, which I love to purchase over there, but you know, vinegar is vinegar, that's it. I put everything away, put things in the dishwasher so I can start the dishwasher in 30 minutes. And let's take a look at my plant. She has a new leaf. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth leaf. My poto is growing. It's just a good sign, right? By the way, I was watching to my analytics and I noticed that I have new subscribers. Some are from Indonesia and Cambodia. Thank you for subscribing and watching my shorts and the channel as well. So I would like you to know that I truly appreciate very much watching the channel and subscribing and leaving comments as well. I just love you very much, and I am going to end this vlog till the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.